Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
The story behind Bakra Eid, Eid al-Adha. Many years ago, there lived a prophet named Abraham. He was a kind and faithful man who always listened to Allah, God. One night, Prophet Ibrahim saw a dream. In his dream, Allah told him to sacrifice his beloved son, Ishmael. Prophet Ibrahim was shocked and sad, but he trusted Allah completely. The next day, he told his son Ismail about the dream. Ismail was also a good and brave boy. He said, "Dear father, if Allah has asked you to do this, then you must obey. I am ready to be sacrificed." With a heavy heart, Prophet Ibrahim took his son to the mountain. As he was about to sacrifice his son, Allah stopped him. Allah was testing his faith and love. Instead of Ismail, Allah sent a sheep from heaven and told Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice the sheep instead. From that day on, Muslims around the world celebrate Bakra Eid to remember the strong faith, obedience, and sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. On this day, Muslims sacrifice a goat, sheep, cow, or camel, and share the meat with family, friends, and the poor. Message of the story. The festival teaches us about faith in God, obedience, sacrifice, sharing with others.